Hey guys, welcome back to Resin. Today I'm going to be working on a tumbler, and this is going to be a Charlie Brown theme, and I am going to be painting the tumbler yellow with a little zigzaggy stripe at the bottom, and then I took some pieces out of this little book and cut them out to kind of Mod Podge on the top here and there. This one's would say, "I need coffee stat," something like that, you know. So yeah, this is going to be an anniversary present, and I picked this tumbler up at the Dollar Tree for $5, so that's a pretty good deal for a stainless tumbler. $5, not too bad. So yeah, I'm going to be working on that today. So the first thing I have to do is take the lid off and get it out of the way so I don't damage it. And I'm taking a 220 grit sandpaper, and I am just kind of going to scuff this up a little bit just so that my paint adheres. And I'm also going to wipe it down and get all of that dust off. And then I'm going to wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. Sticky rubber thing that's stuck on the bottom. I'm just going to peel that off because I don't want that on there. Okay, so now we're just going to take a little bit of this quick coat here, get it on here, down there. Okay, so this cup is fully dry, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be using CC DIY Fast Set, and I'm going to mix up 20 milliliters, and then I'm going to apply it, and this sets up within 2 hours, so should be able to check everything out as soon as that's done. So I'm going to mix some of this up and then we'll apply. Okay, so this is ready to pour on. times just to pop any surface bubbles, and then I'm going to let it cure. Okay, everybody, thanks so much for stopping to watch this project. It was a really fun one, and thank you so much for all of your support. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you would. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!